What are the time of use rates, and how can you benefit from them? Time of use rates are a pricing structure used by utilities to charge customers different rates for electricity consumption based on when they use it. These rates consist of two time periods, peak and off-peak. Peak, these are the times when electricity is in high demand, usually during late afternoon and early evening. Off-peak, these are the low-demand times, often late at night and early morning. On TOU plans, you pay more for using electricity at peak hours. How to benefit from TOU rates. Number 1. Understand your TOU schedule. First, check with your utility to understand your specific TOU rate schedule, including the times for peak and off-peak periods. Number 2. Shift energy use. Plan your energy-intensive activities, such as laundry, cooking, and running major appliances, during off-peak hours whenever possible. Consider home automation. Smart thermostats and home automation systems can help you automatically schedule energy use during off-peak hours. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.